Okay, this might be part 3, this might be part 2, this might be part 1. Anyway, pursuing air leaks on our Peterbilt. Okay, our 890,000 mile Peterbilt. Things got some air leaks and we're pursuing them, and I just thought I'd give you a couple of pointers here. Alright, I got a squirty bottle, not speed wax. I've got water, about 75% water and a little bit of Dawn in there, so, and air pressure is built up. And we just repaired this one, and we're going to show you this one. This one is definitely leaking good. You can see okay, and it has also been my experience this entire bag will leak. You give it enough time, and I'm not seeing no leak there. But anyway, watch this real quick. Okay, so we're gonna, this is a quick release fitting. Okay, and here, hold on, let me see if I got a wider angle here. How can I do this? Here, hold on. Yeah, it's a little wider angle. All right, working on a big truck, and charged air systems, you do not want to be under the truck or in between where you can get pinched. All right, hopefully you can see this. This is the ride control valve. Watch what happens when I do this. And these quick release fittings, they're simple. Take a wrench. This one happens to be a 1/2 inch. Make sure it fits that hose. Just nice and tight on that hose. Make sure all the dirt and debris is out of the way. Push down. Push on that a little bit and pull up. See what the valve did? We just unloaded. Alright. And I found that this hose is actually trapped on the end. We're going to squirt soap in there. Nice brand new virgin razor blade. We're going to cut the end off this hose. And if you try and get that air running, so now you can blow that out a little bit. Push it back in. Pull on it. Still got some air in there. Check it for leaks. Let's start it up and build up some air pressure real quick just to make sure. Alright, so we got a full load of air pressure now. You're going to take the soap. You're going to double check your last work. Look for leaks. Okay, the soap will expose leaks by brand new growing bubbles. any air fitting you can find. Okay, and don't think we got any leaks. All right, now one thing I noticed, and I think it's from the factory, the end of this hose had been painted, and when I pulled it out on both sides, the end of the hose was cracked, and I've already dropped the pieces. Anyway, I think the solvents, they put paint on the end to make sure that it got all the way in. I think the solvents in the paint may have cracked that hose. So, talk to y'all later.